What's up, y'all? It's Alex here to showcase this little app I put together called CharGen. CharGen. I have working title, but anyway, we'll get into it. The whole point of it is to basically create a. We have a random character generator. This entire application was built using Vue for the front end, where I utilize both Vuex for state management and Vue Router to get these view routes. I don't have anything in the about page, but anyway. And the backend is a Ruby on Rails app using Postgres as the database, and JWT is handling the user authentication. But anyway, I mean, this is a fairly straightforward app. Um, all you got to do is click the character button and check that out. We are immediately given a character that's where the race is randomly generated, the name is randomly generated. If we want, we can try another one, get another one. This one's interesting because sometimes characters were once adventurers in their past lives. And so we have something to handle that as well. And then if we want to, we can go ahead and save it. So we do actually, I did authenticated routes here. So you need to actually have you need to be signed in as a user to actually save a character. So let's go to our about page here. And if we check this out, we can put in our password, log in, and get brought to our profile page here. Fairly straightforward, but here are all the characters that I've created so far. If I want to, I could like get rid of some, you know, delete them, anything like that. Then let's go back, get another one, save it, and then there is our character right there. So really after, at this point, it's just sort of fine tuning the actual presentation, the UI, UX of the site. Um, and sort of giving it a little bit more character, probably workshopping a better title. But otherwise, that's sort of it in a nutshell. Looks pretty solid. I'm happy with it. Thanks.